Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine, and this month, if you're a member of the Pick and Pay Wine Club, you get not just a fantastic deal, but you get a really cool story. Now this is Doring Bay. If you have a look at the label, you'll see a sketch of what looks like a lighthouse and a building, surely not a winery. Well, in fact it is, because Doring Bay is the home of Friars Cove, and the wine is made in an old crayfish factory that extends out over the ocean. It's unique, it's up about 2 hours along the west coast, so not traditional winemaking territory when we think of the great wine areas of South Africa, but a place that is making some really, really cool South African wine. It's also wine that is at a really good price, normally 100 Rand. If you're a member of the Pick and Pay Wine Club for the month of March, this drops down to just 80 Rand a bottle for a Pinot Noir rosé that's got that lovely little whisper of fruit, got a crisp freshness, and sits so nicely in the tail end of our summer. You get the added bonus of 3 times the usual Smart Shopper points, you get a lovely bottle of wine, and you also get a cool story to tell the friends you share this with about an old crayfish factory on the west coast that's now making some rather dashing rosé. To join the Pick and Pay Wine Club, simply SMS your Smart Shopper number to 36775. It's absolutely free, and you'll get for yourself 3 times the Smart Shopper points on every bottle of wine bought. You'll also get a 20% discount on 10 different wines each month, a 25% discount on a case of wine, and a Magnum, some terrific competitions and invitations to awesome events.